The first step is choosing the right wood, because it's easier to shape using primitive tools. Hardwoods work best for strength, while softer woods are easier to carve. I select 3 pieces for the legs, 2 longer pieces for the side supports, and 1 wider piece for the seat when working with limited resources. Every cut matters, so I take time to plan before shaping anything. For this build, I'm using only simple hand tools, no electricity, no metal fasteners, just basic cutting, scraping, and shaping tools similar to what would be available in a primitive or survival setting. These tools take longer to use, but they allow for precision and control. Each leg needs to be roughly the same length to keep the chair level. Using slow, controlled cuts, remove bark and shape the wood into smooth, round supports. Primitive woodworking is about patience. Rushing leads to mistakes, and mistakes waste materials you can't easily replace. With all parts shaped and fitted, I assemble the chair fully. The joints are pressed together tightly, locking the structure in place. No glue, no nails, just wood, pressure, and proper design. After the rough shaping is done, switch to a hand planer to smooth the wood. A hand planer is one of the most effective traditional woodworking tools, allowing precise control without electricity. I work slowly, following the grain of the wood. Planing removes high spots, straightens surfaces. To remove material quickly, I use a custom draw blade. This tool allows me to shape the wood efficiently using controlled pulling cuts. A draw blade is one of the oldest traditional woodworking tools. Ideal for working with limited resources, it removes wood faster than a planer and is perfect for rough, shaping chair legs and supports. This helps maintain accuracy while avoiding tear out. This step helps harden the surface, remove remaining moisture, and improve resistance to insects and rot. Torched wood has been used for centuries in traditional and primitive construction. The heat closes the wood's pores and brings out the natural grain. I use a blowtorch to lightly torch the wood. Keep the flame moving slowly and evenly across the surface. The goal here is controlled charring, not burning the wood. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video.